Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites fast. Check Apple system status and make sure your device time, date, and network are correct. Next, confirm you have adequate iCloud storage. Low space often blocks sync. Once done, sign out of iCloud on the device, then restart it. This clears temporary auth tokens. If possible, switch from cellular to a reliable Wi-Fi or use a different network. Network issues are a common root cause, so eliminate them early. Now you tackle the complex middle steps. Update the device to the latest OS to ensure protocol compatibility, then review iCloud settings and toggled services one by one. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted DNS or VPN rules, then reconfigure Wi-Fi. Next, confirm two-factor authentication works and remove any outdated app-specific passwords. They can block server access. Also check account limits. Multiple devices or excessive simultaneous connections can lead to temporary server rejections. Finish by forcing a manual sync. Upload a small test file or change a contact to trigger iCloud activity and watch for success. If that fails, try signing in on an alternate device or use safe mode to isolate whether the issue is device-specific. Make sure to collect timestamps and error messages. These are critical if you must contact Apple support. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, clear caches and test at a different time. Transient server throttling often resolves within minutes to hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.